Good morning, everybody. I hope I'm looking presentable. I didn't oil my hair today. Yeah, I'm headed to Tallulah, Louisiana to enroll my grandson in school. Yeah, school, it's like the end of the month and they still hadn't started. So I have to head over here and enroll him in school. All right, maybe I could take you guys over the bridge. You guys will go with me. All right. Anybody familiar with the old Vicksburg Hospital here in Vicksburg, Mississippi? Y'all remember that hospital right there? I hope you guys can see it. Do you guys remember that? Yeah. So now I gotta head here to get him enrolled in school. I should have picked up his mom, and I didn't. Yeah, if I keep going, there's Monroe, Louisiana. You can see the signs. Okay, y'all, Tallulah, Louisiana. There's the bayou over here. Right here, there's the school. I wanted to get some snapshots of this school right here. This is Tallulah. That school I don't know how many years that school's been closed down. Anybody know? Let me know. Put it in the comment down there below, please. Let me know. Let me see what my daughter-in-law sent me some messages. Alrighty, you guys, I'm in the field with my grandson. He's up there. Gypsy Rose, there's my bag. You can kind of tell what they have. I don't know if he's breaking this. breaking it up. This is where the corn was, y'all. The corn. Alrighty, y'all. Wait till he come down and then I'll be able, excuse the wind, I'll be able to get on the tractor with him for a little while. Then I'm headed to the gym. Y'all, that reminds me, I need to make a doctor appointment to my kidney specialist, because I got to find out a way to get some extra protein in me. I done picked up weight by not moving around like I need to. And I wanted to say thank you to everybody, Gypsy Rose and Sandra. You know, sometimes I'm on here and I give my thankfulness, but sometimes I'm weak, and I thank you guys. I am so thankful for you guys, Gypsy Rose and Sandra, who talks to me, and it helps motivate me, because I don't have all the answers. Nobody has all the answers, and sometimes I get weak and sometimes I fall. I wanted to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so thankful for you all. So today I'm moving around. I'm not going to stay up those stairs. I got to get back into my motivation again. As for moving around, I got this almost straight. But I got to move around, y'all. I got to move around. I got to get away from just sitting around, because I done picked up too much weight and I can't get this sugar down. My diabetes will not, the sugar is rising and it won't go down. And it's got a lot to do not exercising. So I thank you guys for motivating me. Getting out the house, moving around. Once again, I'm in a cornfield. Gonna ride with my grandson for a little while, and I'm gonna take you guys on the journey with me. Yeah, by the way, while I'm waiting on him to come down the field, you guys like, subscribe, leave comments. It looks like I may have to move back to the country for a little while, because my grandkids got to be homeschooled and their parents work. Oh, this is going to be a deal. This wasn't my deal. It's not what I wanted, but I'm going with the universe. I'm going with law of attraction. What I see ain't what I want, but I got to do what I got to do. Let me see where he coming down at. Now, there's some long roads, y'all. The wind is kind of blowing. I'm trying to see what's up here, because I see some greenery right there. Y'all see that green? Y'all, I didn't know this was cotton. I was thinking about cotton last night, and I was saying, I wonder if, oh, here go a bulb that's already open, y'all. Oh my God. Here go a bulb. Look, it's opening, you all. Look at the cotton opening. Look at there. A cotton bulb that's open. Isn't that neat? Where's my grandson at? Is he coming back down? I think he's moving. So I gotta go meet him. But I just wanted to come and let you guys see all of this cotton. The closer I get, okay, y'all know me. Any snakes out here, they need to move. They go their way, I go my way. Y'all know me. There's some cotton right here that's open. Okay. When they defold this, it's called defoliation, and take all the leaves off. I want to go step by step with you all so you guys can see how they do it. Look at all that. This cotton. I wish Dee was out here with me. Look at all these big bowls. The more I go down, I got on some high top shoes, so hopefully the snakes won't bother me. Gypsy Rose, like I said, the snakes leave me alone, I'll leave them alone. Look at here. Y'all, left my keys in the car because I can't carry them with me. So you all. In the country, you can kind of get away with a whole lot of that. Look at there. Look at here. You got cotton. You got used to be corn. And another cornfield. So the cotton has opened. I got to walk back down here with my grandson. See, when I was in the country, I was always moving. Now that I'm in the apartment, I don't like to do those stairs. And you all, I was breathing hard. A lot of my breathing hard comes from picking up this weight. And now I got to get rid of it. I am determined to get it off. And then I'm trying to get rid of this weight. And then this mask. You have to put mask on your face, and that's even worse when you can't hardly breathe. So this is a whole nother day. And you guys remember me bringing you out here to this field with my grandson first day working. And they were doing corn. This is Highway 80 in Tallulah, Louisiana, right here. So I called him. I said, "What you doing?" In the field. I said, "Where you at?" "On 80. "Okay, let's go 80. Woo, Lord, this exercise is really good for me. Oh my God, I really miss this. I might be breathing hard, but this stuff is gonna stop sooner or later, because the more I do it, the better I feel. Alrighty. So if you guys can see, you see those stalks? You see the ground? It's been burned. So over this way, the more I walk, see, he hadn't came this way to break it up yet, to dish it under, because this is regular fertilizer. It kind of fertilizes itself. There's some corn. Some corn. So I know where he started. I said I had to put my car right there, because I know where he started and ended. So I'm going to just go around with him, a up and a down. And then I'll be getting off and headed to the gym. Do me some walking and some more stuff that I need to do. And start doing it every day. Which I was doing that, but Brenda had to leave town, so she had the car. And I was stuck at home for 2 days, and I'm like, this is not working. I got to get out of here. And Sandra said, "Phyllis, you know what to do." I said, "Yep, got that right, Sandra." So I got to get out. And y'all, I never got this tired. I used to could jump and get my camera and just go. If anybody's sitting around the house, please get out of that house if you can. If you can walk around, do something, get out, because you'll find out by you sitting down a whole lot, that weight gonna creep right up on you. It's gonna creep up on you, and you're gonna be like, how did I get there? Because you wasn't doing the exercises that you needed to do. Now, we're not gonna be young like we used to be. It's not gonna happen. But we can do our darndest to try to get there. I'm not gonna overdo myself. One day at a time. One day at a time. Plus, I'm gonna be in the country with those grandkids. Y'all see Highway 80? The trucks is not moving as much as with grain, because they have got all of the corn out of the fields. So they're not as moving as much as they were. So I don't know if you guys can see my grandson right here. Let me let you guys zoom up. Zoom in a little bit. There he is right there. So this is the part he's done already over here. I think they're lightly doing it. And now he's coming down with that. God, it feels good to move around. Y'all see that roasted corn? Burn up roasted corn that's been cooked. I guess they must have started the fires at the end of the row. Because it goes all the way down. Yeah, they had to start at the end of the row. Or if not, I'm gonna be riding with him. Y'all, look at all this. Look at all this corn. Look, it's a pile of it. And you all, look at these beans. They'll be harvesting these beans pretty soon right here. These are soybeans. They all over here. Okay, soybeans, corn, and cotton. Y'all. Too bad I don't have a pet. You know what? I'm gonna tell you something. If I get some chickens in the country, I'm coming to all the cornfields that I can find and get bags and bags of feed. Okay, y'all, I made it over here with Tay, and he's greasing. What them things are called again? That you stick them in?
Animates.
Oh, that's what they are? Wow, they got different things. We used to have to pump it.
The pump one, they using the pump one because they ain't got them in the Animates to me.
Oh, they don't? Is he the one that owned all the land?
Yeah.
He said, make sure you smile. Yeah.
It's that loose one.
Oh, God, this is totally different. Is it heavy?
There you go.
Want to say hello, Tay?
Hey.
Turn around. Say hey, Tay.
Hey.
You got to go to the field?
I can't move it to all this deep.
Yeah. I said I went and waited on you at the end of the road. That was his son that was on there. Okay, make sure you smile.
What?
There you go. What's your name?
I'm Dick Todd.
All right, you all. Dick Todd. Dick Todd, look for yourself. You need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube right here in the back of my car. Put your mind to it. Let me show you so then you won't forget it. Right here.
Oh, yeah. Put your mind to it. I'll check it out.
Yeah, check it out because you're going to be on there.
This is Dick Todd with Todd Farms.
Yeah. How many acres? What are you doing next?
We're getting ready to start cutting soybeans. We finished our corn and we're disking the corn ground, and then now we're going to start harvesting soybeans before the hurricane.
Okay, yeah, the hurricane supposed to go in. Did you start using Roundup on your beans? Remember they didn't dry them out that way? They dry them out that way now, huh?
Well, no, we used paraquat, not Roundup.
They didn't used to do that, did they?
No.
Yeah.
It speeds it up about 2 weeks. So
It does?
Yep.
Oh, okay then. When your cotton gonna be done?
Probably in about 3 weeks.
Hey, would you let me get 2 or 3 stocks or more?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
I want to send it to the people in New York and all over the world.
Whenever it gets ready, we'll defoliate it too.
Yeah.
Defoliate, you can get some.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, y'all heard them, so you know what? You guys get ready for your mailing cotton. All right. Well, tell you, I found somebody to give me some cotton when they defold. When they defold, he's giving me some cotton. You got to go back to school. I just came from your school a minute ago. Leon sent me over there. You in a tight spot? You want me to help you? I can oil it.
Can't get right here.
You don't want me to oil it?
Can you get over here?
Uh-huh. Let me go to the back. Huh? They got to give you guys a hot spot. They got to give you guys a hot spot. They're supposed to give you guys a computer and a hot spot because y'all from the country. Let me see, can I get up under here, y'all? I can't hardly even. Nope, I'm not going to be able to get up under there, but I can see Tato.
I thought it started Thursday.
Huh?
I thought it started Thursday.
I don't know. They're not for sure. They're supposed to give Leon a call. Oh, I can see one. I don't know.
Good.
I don't know. They said they're going to give you a call and let you know when to start.
Oh, that's good for me.
You already told them you got to go back to school?
They already know.
Oh, okay. You don't have but 2 more years. Then you can get your own farm.
Nah, I just stay here for people. I don't like
You don't like paperwork. Don't say that. You can hire people.
I don't want to spend money.
He said he don't want to have paperwork. He'll change his mind. He get older. He ain't but 17, so he'll change his mind. You know what this is called, Tay? Huh? You know what this is called?
Yeah.
What?
Dante.
Yep. I don't know how many calibers they got on here. What? 1, 2. 2 calibers that really hold it all up.
What is it?
2 calibers. Do you see some more?
Yeah, the wheels.
Oh, I am talking about the let it up and down. Oh yeah, they got calibers on there. Right here. But these are the main ones that's let it up. You gotta go get diesel. Oh, degreaser. It's got a book bag up here. Let me see. I'm gonna climb up here. My knee didn't even bother me. Get up here. All right, I can see better. Yeah. There I am, breathing hard again. They don't have nothing to do but with weight. Okay, let me show you. This is what he's greasing up right now. So everything can let down and up. Be prepared for more country videos, y'all, because they homeschooling these kids. And Dee and Quincy's got to have supervision. Supervision, y'all. See? Look at all that. 3 pedals. What would I do with 3 pedals? Steering column. Radio. Y'all don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Phyllis. We have 2 channels. Southern Cooking Brenda is 1. And Put Your Mind to It is 2. The one that you guys are looking at now. Todd Farm in Tallulah, Louisiana. There's a boat in there. Maybe I need to go check out his boat. Alrighty. Let me see, can you guys see his boat? Maybe one day we can go fishing with him. He go fish. I don't know. I changed my mind on that. Look like he do a little crabbing. He enjoy life. One thing about working, always know when you work, enjoy your life. Try to enjoy some of your life, because working with no play ain't fun, because we're just passing through. Well, now I guess I'll be on down the road. Wanted to come and bring you guys some country videos. And I'm gonna go to the gym. I don't really like taking my camera in the gym because people's privacy, and some people don't want them to know they're at the gym and all this, and I'm like, if I get into a corner, then I'll do it. All right, I'm finna go, Tay. To the gym. Yeah, in Vicksburg. Huh? What? Did he want it lightly disc?
There ain't no way you can this lightly.
Huh?
I said there's no way you can this lightly.
Oh, this is a heavy disc. This is a heavy disc. What you call this? Regular disc?
It's a rock disc.
A what?
A rock disc.
Oh, okay.
But it's too wet to lightly disc it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's the cotton over there, y'all. That I just came out that field right there. That's the cotton.
I gotta stop.
What you gotta stop for? Huh? Oh, that mud is in that thing right there. So you gotta get out there. How you gonna get it out?
My crowbar should get out there.
Oh, this crowbar right here? Oh, you gotta beat it with that? Wow. Huh? Yeah. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see. That mud is stuck in there. He gotta get in there and beat that mud down. He might have to do that all the way through. See me, I would have stopped the tractor completely before I got off. I think this is not right. He gotta chisel it down. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. Once again, people don't know this. Tay always got on tractors. He always test drove them. He always been on them. He always been in trucks. Ever since I can remember. He is the same way. Quincy and Daria and Lil Quinn is not really a foreign person. I think, like I said, I think they're gonna be business people. I think they're gonna do office work. I really do. I believe they're gonna be their own boss, own businesses. Tay say he don't want the paperwork, but to start his own business and do, but like once again, he ain't but 17, so your mind changed. Things are more simpler, and you can get a bookkeeper. You can get stuff. It's much easier. It's not like it used to be. That yellow truck is running. Wonder what what they hauling with grain. They may be doing beans, because I seen people doing beans already. You can always go back and look at these videos. Clog of dirt, mud. I wonder, should he do that one over there before it clogged up? Y'all give me some input, because this is, I'm not stressed, but I'm trying to figure something out where these kids can pay attention to their computer. It's just like I'm being a teacher where somebody has to watch them. They already have the man cave, remember the man cave? Well, they're turning that into the whole classroom for the kids. So everybody's going to have their own computer. And me, I would have no TV. Probably me. Maybe I might just do videos. Upload my videos when they finish school. I'm gonna figure out something, so you guys are gonna be getting a lot of country videos, for real, a lot of country videos. So you guys, I'm just trying to figure something out, because I'm trying to make their parents do more. But as you guys know, my son, he drives all over. He drives all over. So my daughter-in-law, she works every day. I'm working this out, because she's got to go to work at 3. So that means if she go to work at 3, she can keep the kids all day. She get out late. She get out real late. I'm going to figure something out, because I'm not going to take on the whole responsibility. I'm not going to do it. No. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, y'all. There we go. Y'all look how far my car is. I need this exercise. He asked me could he drive me down here to my car. I said no. Believe it or not, you all, by me moving around, I feel so much better. Oh my God, I cannot explain. I promise you, I'm boosting my energy up. I feel so much better. They try to get in here and get this stuff out before the storm hit.